In the first row and one right from the center, I prayed the evening orisons of Tuesday, May 7th, 2024, around 8:30 p.m. I prayed the dusk orisons, the spot behind and half a space to the right on the pillar design, starting around 10 p.m. of the 29th of the 10th month of 1445. When each orison started, there came a light beam reaching out like a fan with little points, kind of like webbing, stretching forth and remaining throughout. And it was light blue of its realm, with a dark purple aura around it, which by comparison made the room seem quite dark. It had orange eyes, but I don't know how many eyes or how big it was. In and between the prostrations, I saw a milky white, cloudy layer, like fabric, with big holes, kind of like a net. During those 7 parts of the congregational prayers that night. When I prostrated in the 2nd, 4th, and 5th of the 3 and then 4 bow sets, I saw the pink palace. And this pink palace reminds me of what I talked about from my childhood, how I would see Pink Planet and such. You know, the rooms were quite big. And none of these visionary elements were of a sort that it obscured the function or the awareness of the material aspect of doing the ritual at hand. The presence was stronger in the dusk orisons than the evening one. It came with a pleasant prickling, particularly the face area and the chest area, that developed into a pulsing set of analgesic flows and a feeling like I had multiple hearts beating. And the rest of these visionary elements were also such that it made even the brightest aspect of what was going on in the room physically seem as if it was dark. And there was sort of a buzz left when the ritual ended. And it lasted minutes. I was definitely outside the masjid after. when it wore out.